Alright, let's go real. For years, the debate has been a tired one, Mac versus Windows. But as a creator who spent my entire career on Windows, I recently did something I never thought I would. I bought a MacBook Air. And it wasn't just a casual purchase, it was a deep dive into the Apple ecosystem everyone talks about. In this video, we're not just comparing two laptops, we're breaking down two completely different philosophies of computing. I'll share my unfiltered experience, covering what Mac did incredibly well, why Windows still reigns supreme, and help you decide which one is the right long-term investment for you. The Mac experience, why the hype is real. First, let's talk about the Apple side of the coin. The number one reason I finally understood the hype is something you can't just read on SpecTrade, the ecosystem. If you own an iPhone, that's isn't just a laptop, it's an extension of your phone. Seamless integration. Picture this. You are on your phone, you get a text, and you can reply directly from your MacBook. You copy a link or a photo on your iPhone, and instantly available to paste on your MacBook via universal Clipboard. Need to sign a document? You can use continuity camera to scan it with your phone, and it appears on your laptop screen instantly. It's a level of convenience that makes you generally more productive. Hardware and design. The MacBook Air, especially with Apple Silicon, is a masterclass in hardware. The build quality is second to none. It feels premium, solid, and durable. The liquid retina display is stunning, color accurate, and bright, which is a massive plus for any kind of creative work. And the speakers? Seriously. The audio on this laptop is better than most desktop setup I've used. macOS and performance. The operating system itself is polished and intuitive. The gestures on the trackpad are joy to use, and features like mission control for managing multiple desktops just feels more fluid than the Windows counterparts. The real star thought is the Apple Silicon M storage chip. Because of its unified memory architecture, it's incredibly efficient. This means you get blazing fast performance for everything, from video editing in Final Cut Pro to general multitasking, while fanless design keeps it completely silent. And the battery life? It's not a marketing gimmick. I can easily get a full day's work and then some. The Windows reality where Mac falls short. Now, let's bring back to the earth. While the Mac experience is fantastic, it's not perfect, and for many people, a Windows laptop is still the superior choice. The power choice and customization. The biggest advantage of Windows is its open ecosystem. You have a massive variety of laptops from manufacturers like Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Microsoft as help. This means you can find everything from ultra-thin 2-in-1s with touchscreen and pen support to monstrous gaming rigs with powerful dedicated GPUs, even not locked into a single design philosophy. Upgradability and value. Unlike MacBooks, where RAM and storage are soldered onto the board, many Windows laptops allows you to easily swap your SSD or add more RAM. This makes a machine more affordable to upgrade down the line, extending its lifespan for a fraction of cost of buying a new Mac. Speaking of cost, you can find a Windows machine with comparable performance to a MacBook for a significantly lower price. Software and gaming. This is a non-negotiable for many. If you're a gamer, Windows is the only real choice. The platform has a massive library of games and robust support for latest graphics cards. For certain professional pros, like engineering or specific IT roles, a lot of legacy or specialized software is still Windows exclusive. The verdict, what's right for you? So what should you buy for this? If you're a student, a creative professional, or someone who already deep into Apple universe, the MacBook Air offers an unmatched, intuitive, and seamless experience. The hardware, software, and performance are all so tightly integrated that it just feels effortless. But if you're a hardcore gamer, an IT professional who needs specific software, or someone who values the freedom of customization and upgradability, a Windows laptop is the clear winner. The variety of hardware and lower cost of the entry give you far more control over your computing experience. Ultimately, both are phenomenal machines, but they serve different users. My switch to a MacBook showed me why the Apple ecosystem is so beloved, but it also reinforced just how much Windows has to offer. The best choice isn't about which one is better, it's about which one is best for you. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what's your daily driver and why. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I will catch you in the next one.